Hello my geniuses, in this video you will learn how the engineers use their knowledge of Pythagoras property to design the tallest breathtaking cable stayed bridge in the world, Millau Viaduct. Now this bridge that connects Paris to Barcelona has cables that are attached from the road to the pole to form triangles which keep it stable. अब क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो कौन से टाइप का ट्रायंगल है ये? It's a right angled triangle. So, to find the length of the cable, engineers use the Pythagoras property of a right angled triangle. We can understand this property by taking four identical right angled triangles with lengths of the legs as A and B and hypotenuse length C. Now arrange these triangles so that their hypotenuse forms a tilted square like this. अब ये जो area of that square है ये कितना होगा? It is C square. Now rearrange the triangles into two rectangles leaving small squares on either side. The area of these small squares is A square and B square. But the two figures are identical, so the total area of both these figures is also the same. So the empty space in the first square, which is C square, must be equal to the empty space in the other square, which is A square plus B square. Now this is the Pythagoras property. It states that in a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the legs. In this triangle on the Millau Viaduct bridge, what is AC? Yes, it is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. Therefore, if we use the Pythagoras property, then we can say that AC square is equal to the sum of the square on the legs, that is AB square plus BC square. But AB is 6 units and BC is 8 units. Therefore, the hypotenuse AC square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square, which is 36 plus 64. वो कितना हो गया? That's 100. So AC is equal to square root of 100, जो कि है 10 units. Let's see one more example. What is the value of AB in this figure? Now if we use the Pythagoras property, then AC square कितना होता है? It is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is equal to AC square minus AB square. This is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square हो गया 169, 5 square हो गया 25. So AB square हो गया 169 minus 25, जो कि है 144. AB is equal to square root of 144, जो कि है 12. The converse of the Pythagoras property also holds true. So, if you have a triangle for which the Pythagoras property holds true, then we can say that the triangle is a right angled triangle. Let's see an example. Now, is this triangle a right angled triangle? Well, over here, 4 square plus 5 square equals to 16 plus 25, which is equal to 41. लेकिन 7 square कितना होता है? It is 49 and 41 is not equal to 49. So this triangle is definitely not a right angled triangle. Now let's use the Pythagoras property to solve one more problem. मुझे बताओ, what is the length of BC? Now triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and altitude AD divides the triangle into two right angled triangles. So using the Pythagoras property, BD square is equal to AB square minus AD square, which is 25 square minus 20 square, जो कि is equal to 625 minus 400, which is equal to 225. BD is square root of 225, which is 15. So BD is equal to DC, which is equal to 15. Therefore, BC is equal to 15 plus 15, which is equal to 30 centimeters. So the next time, if you're crossing the Bandra Worli Sea Link in Mumbai or the Millau Viaduct Bridge in Europe, observe the structure and see how the Pythagoras property was used to create these awesome bridges. Genius se पढ़ो, genius बनो. Genius se पढ़ो, genius बनो.